Hi, you guys, it's Zoe here, and just want to share with you guys our blizzard here in Chicago today, Monday, February 1st, 2011. I'm upstairs and I'm recording this through my upstairs window. As you can see, it's not very visible and it's not all that great, but in terms of where you guys can see, because it's really bad out there. It's really windy, and we have about 6 inches of snow that have fallen already. And according to the news, it's going to get even worse. I know from your angle it might seem like, oh, it looks peaceful, but oh no, it's really bad. That tree keeps moving, and it's due to the high winds. It's about 60 miles an hour. And they've even closed Lakeshore Drive here in Chicago for those of you that are familiar with Lakeshore Drive downtown. And I don't know if you guys can see that point over there across the street between those cars. That's the water pump for the firemen, and it's nearly covered in snow. So that's how much snow we've gotten. And look at the tree. It's just really bad. I've never seen a storm like this. And it's going to get even worse as far as the forecast. So I'll try to do an update tomorrow when it's more visible with, in the morning or in the afternoon. Right now it's past 9 o'clock, I believe, or like 10. So aside of it being dark already, just the snow, like the musty winds and all that stuff, just doesn't help. But you guys can see the tree right there. Yeah, it's bad. Anyway, you guys, just wanted to share the blizzard. And I know there's a blizzard going on in other states, as far as what I've heard. So this is here in Chicago. Okay, you guys, bye.